Troubleshooting some of the issues with the Rythflo Lavalier mic, and I noticed this on one of my other videos that I was doing using the mic. I want to tell you about it. So see the blue light there? So that means it's paired and it's picking up my voice. Audio check 1 2 3. So it should be picking up my voice at a regular volume. But I noticed on my other video that my volume was low. There are a few reasons for that, and I want to demonstrate that now. So this is the receiver that's connected to the phone right now. There is a volume control, and you can see it's represented by the 3 dots right there. So I'm going to keep my voice at the same level, and I'm going to actually press on the bottom of the receiver. See this button right here? I'm going to press down, and I'm going to bring it down low to the 1. So instead of 3, I'm going to go 1. So I'm going to do that right now. Let's listen to it. So now might be able to hear a difference. Audio check 1 2 3. I'm trying to keep my speaking voice the same. I'm not raising my voice. Now let's click it 3 times and let's hear if there's a difference. 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. And now I'm keeping my voice the same, keeping the same distance from the microphone. So that's one troubleshooting thing that you can do. If it's too low for you, you can just change the volume on the receiver itself, which is a really cool feature. All right, so the other issue is, see this icon right here at the bottom, and this is where I ran into the problem right here. This icon is turned off, so my voice should be normal volume, right? But the thing is, if you want noise reduction, say if it's too loud in the room and you want it to do a little bit of noise reduction, you just press this button here once, and now it's lit up blue. And you should notice that my voice is now not as loud. And that's what's the issue with my last video. I was talking normally and it was not picking up the full volume. So you might be able to hear the difference. Audio check 1 2 3 with the noise reduction on. So in order to shut that off, now you should hear my voice normally. It's a normal volume, and that should fix the issue. So those are the 3 things that you can do. So noise reduction, and also the level or the volume on the Rythflo receiver, which is the 3 lights, and you can just change it down here at the bottom. All right, hope that's useful to you. Rythflo Lavalier Mic.